Welcome back to XB. It's been a while, but today we're diving into something every parent should know about: the bebeconfort evolvefix 360 i-size car seat. Quite a mouthful, but it's designed to support your little one from babyhood all the way up to 12 years old. Thanks to Review Club, I got the chance to test the seat. I did pay about a quarter of the price myself, but either way, you're still getting my honest, no-nonsense review. The seat arrived right on schedule, ordered via bolt.com. And yes, the box is big, but once you open it, it all makes sense. The car seats come fully assembled, no screws, and a compact, non-confusing manual, which you can also consult by phone via QR code. Then just click it into the ISOFIX of the car and boom, you're ready to roll. Perfect for busy parents who don't have time to wrestle with the setup. The cushions, super soft and supportive. Your baby's comfort is clearly a priority here, and as your child grows, the seat grows with them, thanks to a removable reducer that makes transitioning seamless. But let's talk about the real star, the 360 rotation. Total game changer. Whether your kiddo is asleep or just being wiggly, you can swivel the seat toward you and lift them out without an awkward angles or wrist strain. Honestly, I wish I had this feature when my first child was born, really. Reclining is smooth and easy with a lever at the base. Technically, there are 6 positions, but the differences are subtle. Personally, I find 3 distinctive positions to be plenty enough. But if you love the fine-tuning, you will appreciate the flexibility. All manageable with one hand, which can be extremely useful when your other hand is already occupied. Located beneath the seat is a mechanical hinge mechanism that must be actuated to enable seat rotation. A green indicator signifies the rotation function is engaged, while a red indicator denotes a locked position. The system is designed for intuitive operation. An optional base with a support leg can be installed beneath the car seats, similar to the setup I had with my previous model. Initially, I was skeptical about this new configuration, as it relies solely on ISOFIX anchoring, without a support leg, which raised concerns about stability. However, to my surprise, it feels just as secure as my previous Maxi-Cosi system that included a support leg. And an added benefit in the increased floor space, providing extra room for items like diaper bags, groceries, and other essentials. Once the seat is installed in the vehicle, extend the 2 ISOFIX connectors and align the seat in a forward-facing position. When you have placed the seat right in front of the ISOFIX connections, press it firmly against the vehicle seat until you hear an audible click, confirming secure attachment. Although the seat may exhibit slight movement upon inspections, this is normal. The ISOFIX anchoring systems ensures a robust and stable connections, comparable in strength and safety to configurations that include a support leg. So, to sum up what I loved: ready to use straight out of the box, 360 swivel for easy access, soft, comfy cushions, the seat grows with your child, no support leg, which means more legroom for bags, etc. One-handed operation is possible, and solid build quality. We have to be critical, so also a few minor nitpicks. Recline positions could be more distinct, and 3 positions would have been enough, personally for me. In the current setup, the passenger seat remains in its standard positions, providing sufficient legroom. This ensures that once the child seat is installed, there is adequate spacing to allow full rotation. While the exact distance may vary depending on the vehicle model, maintaining approximately 1 finger width between the seats typically enables smooth and obstructed rotations. So for its final verdict, this car seat offers a well-rounded blend of safety, comfort and everyday convenience. While I was initially skeptical about the evolvefix only setup, especially with the support leg, it generally holds up in terms of stability and ease of installation. The rotation function works smoothly and doesn't compromise legroom, which is a huge win for daily use. It's not perfect, but it's definitely on the right track. The build feels premium, the design is intuitive, and it adapts well as your child grows. For me, it earns a solid 80%, a reliable space-saving solution that simplifies parenting without cutting corners on safety. Oh yeah, 80%. Right on. See you next time, guys.